Hello, let us learn how to approximate in 2 steps. Step 1. Keep the required number of digits in the question. And then step 2, before rounding off, consider the next digit to the rounding off place. If the digit is 5 or greater than 5, increase the last digit by 1. Otherwise, round down the unwanted digit to 0. Now, what does this mean? If you're asked to approximate a certain number, you have to keep the required amount of digits. For example, if you're rounding off to 2 significant figures, to 3 significant figures, you have to ensure that that amount of digits required in that question is kept. So if it is 2 significant figures, you have to keep the first 2 non-zeros. Now, every other digit that follow is either rounded down or rounded up. Now, when the next digit to the rounding place is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, what we do is we round up, which means we'll increase our last digit by 1. But if it is not 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, it means it is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4. What we do there is that all the unwanted digits are rounded down to 0. And this is how to approximate in 2 steps. Thank you.